Hey guys, my name is Cedric John. I'm 11 years old. I was born in October 17, 2003. I live in Philippines. I born in Philippines. Okay. My full name is Cedric John S. Biscott, and my S is in Diane. I'm not an American. I'm not lying. So nice to meet you. What's your name? Never mind that. So this video is gonna be adventure, comedy, playing, cool stuff, school play, and gaming. I don't think, did I say gaming? Never mind. So why do I start a video right now? Because I just like to. It just reminds me what it feel if I have many subscribers, videos, like, haters. Mm. So I think my, I don't know, I just wanna feel it. What feels we do like subscribers, videos, you know. So maybe good, I think so. Many of the popular videos of the YouTube is PewDiePie. So I'm a big fan of PewDiePie. I'm a bro army of PewDiePie. I don't think if you know PewDiePie because many of the PewDiePie videos. I don't think if you are a bro army of PewDiePie. That's why I started this YouTube because I just want to be like a PewDiePie. So if PewDiePie is a bro piece, how about me? I create my hand pierce. It's called hand pierce like this. Then appear like that. That. You may sound weird because this is my voice, but not because I just got a cold cough. I just got a sick today. So this video is not that offensive, okay? So this is just like this. So leave a like, but don't subscribe first because this is just my first video. Just leave a like, leave a views, then in the next video you subscribe. So that's gonna be good for you guys. Leave a comment, favorite. So you may follow me on Facebook or add me on Facebook. My name is Cedric John Biscotto, right here. I don't think it's here or here. I don't know. I don't know how to edit. So, like here. Yeah. I don't have a Twitter or anything. That's Facebook. But I have a Gmail. But almost request me on Facebook, okay? Okay. I don't have a blog. I think I will do a blog. I don't think so. This is gonna be this is just gonna be a great to you guys. Nice to meet you. Even I don't know your name. So goodbye. And peace.